Hope your weekend is going well. I'm going to try to keep this nice, short, and simple for you. Today we're going to solve equations that take more than just one step. Last time we covered how to solve equations that had just one step. And the way we're going to do the ones that cover more than one step is just to follow the same rules that we already learned. So when you look at this equation, 2x plus 2 equals negative 4, I need you to think back to what it is that we did to come up with the answer to the one-step equation. We did things such as maybe subtract 2 from both sides. So if I subtract 2 from here and subtract 2 from here, I'm treating them both fairly, both equally, and I get a result of 2x over here still. This equals 0, so I'll draw a big 0 and scratch it out. It's not there anymore. And negative 4 and negative 2. Well, negative 4 and negative 2 put together, they're all negative, so you get a result of negative 6. As you can see, the x is not by itself yet, so we have to do one more step. And after we did the addition-subtraction step, now we have a multiplication problem. So, like we learned before, if you have a multiplication problem, you use division to get your answer. So we're going to divide this by 2. And if we divide that by 2, we got to divide that by 2. This, we learned before, is the result of 1. So you have one single x left. And it equals whatever negative 6 divided by 2 is. Well, negative divided by positive is a negative. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. So your answer here is x equals negative 3. Now that was a two-step equation. Seems pretty simple, right? I'm going to give you a couple more to practice on. Let's say you have 3x plus 4 equals 13. Why don't you try that one on your own? And also try negative 2x plus 2 equals 6. Try those two on your own. Pause the video, and when you are done with them, go ahead and when you're done with solving them, go ahead and start the video back, and I'll have the answer for you. Okay, welcome back. You should have subtracted 4 from both sides here. Subtracted 4 there. You would have gotten 3x and nothing left here equals 9. 3x equals 9. And then you would have divided by 3 on both sides and gotten x equals 3. Alright, over here you would have subtracted 2 from both sides because opposite sign, remember? Subtracted 2. This goes away. This is negative 2x equals 4. And divided both sides by now negative 2. Check it out. There's a negative up here. Negative 2 divided by negative 2. Hope you remember to do that when you did yours. And then x equals negative 2 because 4 divided by negative 2 is a negative. 4 divided by 2 is 2. There you go. So you should have gotten x equals 3 over here and x equals negative 2 over there. Hope you got them right. If you did, pat yourself on the back because you're ready for class tomorrow. I want to show you one more thing before we go. And it is a cool little website that is called, I just Googled up here on the top right, I Googled algebra tiles. And then this is kind of what I found. It was a kind of a version of algebra tiles to kind of to show you, things that we do in class. Well, here's my equation. It says 2x plus 2 equals negative 4. What we learned in algebra tiles was that I can cancel things out until I get an x all by itself. And the only way to cancel things out is to create zero pairs. So what I'm going to do is create a zero pair here with these two units. And we know that the result of this zero pair is going to make them go away. Pretty cool. But because I added in 2 negatives there, remember in equations I have to do the same thing to both sides. So I need to add 2 negatives over here. So my result so far is from the original equation, which is up here on the top, 2x plus 2 equals negative 4. I subtracted 2 from both sides, and now I have 2x equals negative 6. So you got to ask yourself, if 2x's equal negative 6, how many does just 1x equal? Well, that's easy. I can just space these out so that I can see that 1x equals negative 3. See how I did that? 1x equals negative 3. So 2x equals negative 6, 1x equals negative 3. That's a cool little website that you can Google on your own and just play around with it, especially if you need help on some homework to see. Well, hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you in class on Monday. See ya.